The post by barrister Aloy Ejimakor refers to the ongoing trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), whose case against the Federal Republic of Nigeria has drawn international attention due to his advocacy for Biafran independence, a movement rooted in the 1967–1970 Nigerian civil war that pie over 1 million people. A new prosecution witness testifying on June 13, 2025, with proceedings adjourned to June 18, 2025, highlights a pattern of delays, as noted in court records from May 2025, where cross-examinations were similarly postponed, potentially reflecting strategic legal maneuvers or systemic inefficiencies in Nigeria's judicial process. Public skepticism, fueled by allegations of masked witnesses and false testimonies, e.g., the disputed DSS involvement in Kanu's 2021 arrest, aligns with a 2023 Human Rights Watch report documenting Nigeria's use of questionable evidence in politically charged trials, suggesting a need for independent verification of witness credibility.